Floorcare.biz is proud to present the Tennant Boss 2000 LE carpet extractor. The Boss 2000 LE is a walk-behind cord-electric powered machine featuring a 20-inch cleaning path, 10-gallon solution tank, and 14.5-gallon recovery tank, making all your jobs a breeze. This unit also features straightforward controls for easy operation, a 1,200 RPM brush, and 2 cleaning modes, making the Tennant Boss 2000 LE a great addition to your equipment fleet. Your unit is covered under a dead-on arrival and 30-day parts warranty. All machines in stock will ship out same day and arrive to you in 3 to 5 business days. To place an order, click the link in the description, visit us online at floorcare.biz, email us at sales@floorcare.biz, or call us at 217-233-8932. We look forward to hearing from you. Floorcare.biz, where your floors are our business.